The undercarriage is equipped with a 3-speed track drive featuring creep, low, and high gears. Creep mode is the desired setting while grinding or mowing, allowing the unit to creep slowly into the stump or tree. The low setting can also be used while grinding or mowing and is usually a good setting to have if the unit is turning. While in this setting, the unit will travel up to 150 feet per minute, or 1.7 miles per hour. The high setting is usually the preferred method for travel on these units, allowing speeds up to 350 feet per minute, or approximately 4 miles per hour. The Model 3500 is the perfect solution for those land and right-of-way clearing contractors looking for a compact yet highly productive forestry mower or stump grinding machine. The 3500 uses a Cat 312B steel track undercarriage with 500mm pads, yielding a ground pressure of just 5.8 pounds per square inch. It features a Cat engine with as much as 250 horsepower and can be equipped with either a 72-inch wide forestry mower or a 34-inch diameter stump grinder attachment. The forestry mower is mounted on loader-style lifting arms, allowing for an approximate mulching height of 8 feet. The mower is driven by two 108cc hydraulic motors, providing maximum torque and power to the mower wheel. The 3500 features a 70-gallon steel fuel tank, along with a 56-gallon steel hydraulic tank. The Model 4000 is a mid-sized stump grinding and forestry mowing machine, ideally suited for moderate land and right-of-way clearing operations requiring a powerful machine. The Model 4000 is available with either a Cat 315L or 320L undercarriage, utilizing 325 to 440 horsepower. Using the 320L, the Model 4000 crawls with a ground pressure of just 4.39 pounds per square inch. It can be equipped with an 84-inch forestry mower or a 40-inch diameter stump grinder. The forestry mower attachment has an approximate mulching height of 3 feet. The mower is driven by two 125cc hydraulic motors, providing maximum torque and power to the mower wheel. 48 double carbide splitter teeth are mounted on heavy-duty holders, providing maximum durability and dependability. The 4000 features a 160-gallon steel fuel tank, along with a 160-gallon steel hydraulic tank. The largest crawler in the fleet is the Model 5000, and it's the machine of choice for high production, right-of-way and land clearing operations in demanding conditions.
What we've experienced with Bandit is they've thought about it long and hard on how things get used in the woods. Sometimes they do get abused, and we like to keep our stuff fairly clean. But we do use it. We put it through its tests, and it holds up extremely well.
This machine comes equipped with engine options ranging from 500 to 600 horsepower. A Cat 325EL undercarriage is standard, and it carries either a 40-inch diameter stump grinder or Bandit's largest forestry mower, measuring 108 inches wide. The mower is driven by two 250cc hydraulic motors, providing maximum torque and power to the mower wheel. 66 double carbide splitter teeth are mounted on heavy-duty holders, providing maximum durability and dependability. The 5000 features a 160-gallon steel fuel tank, along with a 160-gallon steel hydraulic tank. Each track crawler can be ordered with a heavy-duty hydraulic winch. This winch is a useful tool for those contractors operating in extremely soft soil conditions or bogs. We believe that these track crawlers are the most powerful, productive, and dependable stump grinders and forestry mowers available on the market today. For additional information or to arrange a demonstration, please call Bandit Industries or contact your local authorized Bandit dealer. Also, be sure to visit our website at www.banditshippers.com.
We all love to do the clearing work. We love to be in the woods. There's nothing better than sitting in these kind of offices.